walked in the forest. Nin gi baamse bemtegoke by James Mole Journal. I once went walking in the forest. Nin guding gi baamse bemtegoke. As I was walking in the forest, epiche baamseya bemtegoke. I saw a rabbit. Nin gi wapma wabus. And I saw a deer. Minwa nin gi wapma wawashkesh. As I kept walking, ene piche maseya. And then I seen a raccoon. Minwa dash nin gi wapma esaban. And then I seen a partridge. Minwa dash nin gi wapma bene. And then I seen a skunk. Minwa dash nin gi wapma jigak. And then I went home. Minwa dash nin gi nigiye. The end. Meet you.